All right, what's up everyone? Welcome to a new video. So I'm starting this video with a live trade, okay? So the model I teached in the last video, you can go and check my last video. It's the Maker X FVG Setup, okay? So for this setup, it's pretty easy, right? So you have a high. Let me show you the model. And this video is pretty important because I will also teach actually some more rules and some more stuff you have to respect for taking this model. Okay, so for the model you need a high to be taken with the FVG, and you wait for some candle patterns to show bullishness in this case here, and then target your 2R. Okay, so for this specific trade, okay, so we have this high and we have these highs, okay? So the FVG, so TP hit, by the way, okay? We're killing it with this model, right? It's something crazy. Okay, so we have these highs, all right? So this high, we took it with this FVG, okay? And we took this high with this FVG, okay? But we don't care. We wait for price to come here and show its hand, okay? So we wait for two things: either a close with the next candle above this one, which never happened, okay? Or we wait for a candle to close above a previous candle high, right? So we wait for the wicks, not just the bodies. So in this case, this was my trigger, because if you can see, we closed above this candle, right? So I waited for price to come back. Stop was here. Actually, my stop was here, somewhere like here, and I took the 2 to 1. Okay, so the moment I saw this CSD here, right, which made me trust this low, okay, and put my stop loss under this order block. Or if you just respect the rules I gave you guys, you can just put your stops under this fair value gap and target your 1 to 1 in this case, or your 2 to 1s, because I still think price is bullish. Okay, so okay, so before I start the video, let's go back and let me update you about the actual prop firm current discounts. Okay, so I really want to thank you guys for using my codes, right? So I just want to tell you that I forgot last time that we have this crazy my funded futures promo, so 50% off your first month, right? So the starter plus is only 64 bucks, and when you pass, you don't have to actually pay for fees. Like, take advantage of this, right? Because it's the best deal for this month. Okay, Bulenox 91% off is ending tomorrow, so make sure you buy your 16 bucks account. Okay, right, so thank you guys for using my codes and supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. Now let's go back and actually talk about what I want to teach you guys in today's video. Okay, all right, so rule number 1, never take a setup in the last minutes of an hour. Okay, so if you guys understand the open, high, low, and then close, right, of any candle, right? So sometimes price, let's say we are bearish, okay, and you have your FVG here and your confirmation here, right, and you take it, right? But this is the last 10 minutes of an hour. Okay, so what price likes to do, and pay attention because this is really gold, right? Nobody will teach you that for free. Okay, so when a new hour opens, it will likely run the highs made in the last 10 minutes or 20 minutes of the previous hour. Okay, so never trust your setup, or never at least place your stop loss here, right? Because price will sweep you at least, then give another setup, which is the setup you should be taking. Okay, right? So this is pretty easy, and I saw some of you guys lose a trade and win the next one because of this hourly open. Okay, so just make sure you respect this. Okay. Also pay attention to every 30 minutes and 15 minutes open, because sometimes, or the best setups happen when the 15-minute open, then it will give you your confirmation. So the 15 minutes open into your fair value gap here, give you your confirmation here, and then you take it. This will be an expansion, right? So this will be or these are one of the best trades. Okay, I will teach you more about this, guys, when we will talk about the 3 trades fractal model, but yeah, just have this in mind for now. Okay. Okay, so rule number 2, never trust the first candle CSD into an FVG. So wait for the FVG to get inversed instead. Okay, so what I mean is, like, you have your FVG that takes a low here, right? But we create another FVG coming back to this one. All right, so you will have your candle confirmation, right? But if we did, or if we don't close actually with another candle under this fair value gap, never trust these trades, because we can manipulate you into this fair value gap, right? Do another stop hunt here, then give a setup. Okay, so just pay attention to these and your win rate will be high, right? But if you already take the 2 hours, you are already safe, because you only need actually 33% to be break even. So anything like 40, 50 and you're making money, right? Okay, so this is all I have, to be honest, for now, right? And I don't want these videos to be long, because I want you guys to consume them, repeat them as much as possible, so the information can be condensed, or you don't have to watch like 40 minutes videos to understand stuff. So this is likely another setup, right? So printing now live. So we have these highs, we take them with these FVGs, right? And we have the CSD, we have all our confirmations, right? So if you took it here, where is my long tool, right? So this was the first confirmation, right? Long, target 2 hours, right? So something I want to add, like, you can trust sometimes this, especially when we have CSDs like that, right? So when you trust or you put your stop loss under here, right, just make sure you go break even as soon as possible, right? Because you don't want to have a stupid loss, because price can still come back to discount, right? Which is what they already did, to be honest. So this is a good trade, right? Well, I think it will still play out, right? So it will give another entry maybe. Oh, I thought this was a fair value gap. No. So I think it will go now to take profit. Congratulations to the guys that took it. I see some of you taking it in the Discord, right? This is, yep, already at how much? 1 hour. 1 hour already given. Okay, 2 hours here. Okay, so that will be it for today's video. I hope you guys will enjoy it, and if you appreciate it, leave a like, a button, or if you have questions, just shoot them in the comment section. I read everything you write, guys, and I answer to all of the message. Okay, so see you in the next video. Ciao ciao. Slama.